This is RICOH UK Products Limited in Telford, home to the European Customer Experience Centre. The 4,000 square metre complex to which customers can be invited includes a smart factory and a showroom which showcases our large format and production print technologies. An IMCW2200, the multifunctional version of the product, is available in the CEC and can be booked for demonstrations. Both products feature RICOH's Smart Operational Panel. The Smart Operation Panel, which will be familiar to customers of RICOH's office systems, is customizable and provides easy-to-follow prompts. To reduce downtime, supplies are easily replenished. The slimline gel jet ink cartridges are, for example, accessed from the front of the machine and can be exchanged in seconds. And the new automated paper take-up mechanism, also accessed from the front of the machine, makes light work of changing media rolls. The IPCW2200 and IMCW2200 both support printing from USB. This is an important feature as it means engineers and construction workers can print large format plans on site at the point of use. The printer is highly productive. CAD drawings, site plans, posters and other large format colour and black and white documents are delivered at speeds of up to 3.8 A1 prints per minute. Colour capability is a significant advantage in this market. Many customers will be upgrading from older monochrome devices. Colour will be important to them as it will allow them to communicate plan details such as plumbing and cabling more effectively. Both machines have an automatic cutter and deliver neatly guillotined documents to a basket at the front of the device ready for collection. RICOH's ink technology is a standout feature. Not only do our gel jet inks deliver vibrant output, they are UV and water resistant. It means that site plans and drawings will retain their clarity when working outdoors and will not run or smudge when the weather turns. Scanning and copying is simple too. The wide feed station and automatic take-up mechanism on the MFP version make it easy for operators to feed large format documents. And the scanner itself is incredibly fast.